everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today I have another purse reveal for you, this time from Tory Burch. And I'm really excited because this is my very first Tory Burch purse. So this one I picked up on a recent trip to Las Vegas, and it is an outlet purse. And as soon as I walked into the store, I saw so many things that I really liked and wanted to get, but I kind of had to narrow it down to just one item. So here is the bag. So let's have a look inside. And so here she is. So this one is the Britten Convertible Crossbody Purse in Light Meadowsweet. And in the store, they had a lot of different purses in this color. So it must be a hot color for the coming spring, maybe. I was looking at another purse as well as this one and trying to decide between the two. And the other one was a little bit larger, more of a saddlebag style. So I thought that this one would be a little bit more practical for the everyday use. So I paid, I think, around just a little over $320 around there for this one, US. So it's probably close to 400 Canadian. The leather is just so soft and almost like powdery soft. And it's got the really nice gold detail right here of the Tory Burch logo. The magnetic closure, you can hear it there. The magnetic closure of the purse is very, very strong. So let's open it up and get the straps out. So this one does actually come with two straps, which I was very surprised with when I got it home and opened it up and had a look at it quickly. Because that wasn't on display. And so they're both very different, and it gives you a lot of really great versatility when it comes to the look that you want for your bag. So let's first, before I connect the straps and kind of go through all of that and we have a look at that, let's have a look at the inside of the purse. So like I said, it's got the really nice Tory Burch logo here. So it's got the leather here and the gold latch there, which I'm kind of concerned with this scratching because of how strong the magnetic closure is. But it's got a nice pouch in the front here, and then it's got the main compartment right in here. The lining is very, very soft and thick, and it's just a beautiful beigey color. Just everything about this purse is just so nice. And then of course it's got the back zipper pocket where you can keep some other things in there as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the straps. So let's first do the strap that is not adjustable. So this one is a non-adjustable strap. It's got that really nice interwoven leather. And then it's got the full leather piece on top that goes on top of your shoulder. This one I find gives a really classy look to the purse. And this one you can use, obviously, of course, as a crossbody or just as a shoulder purse. I think it would fit very well. And so that's the strap connected, and it gives it a really nice look. And so the other strap that comes with it is a full leather one. This one I find to be quite a bit more interesting because this is the adjustable one. And it really adjusts in a way that I've never seen before. But I think from watching other videos on different types of luxury purses, there are some brands that do this, but I don't have any purses like this. So it has the really nice gold detail on this piece here. I don't really know what it's called, but the connecting piece. So we'll just connect that to the purse, and then we will have a look at some of the different adjustments that you can do with it. So this is the other strap connected. This one is probably not exactly long enough to do crossbody style, at least not for me, but it would be really great just for the shoulder. It would work that way. And so it's got these buttons up at the top that say Tory Burch, and these ones you just have to undo and then slide the strap down. Just gonna do it, you won't be able to see it, but it's easier to do it this way with the purse sitting down. And then you adjust it so that those are in, and it's a nice small shoulder strap purse, which I like because this comes like right under my arm. Okay, so let's now have a look to see what we can fit inside, okay? So, granted, because it's a small purse, you're not gonna fit too much in here. But that's okay for me because I don't really carry a whole lot on a daily basis. So let's see what we can get. I couldn't get a, so really the only thing that you can fit is you can't really get a full-size wallet in here, but you can get a card case. And I was looking at the card cases, but they didn't have any in this color. So I still kind of have to look around for that. But for now, we're going to use, just for demonstrating purposes, we are going to use the Michael Kors one that I have. So that can fit in there. We are going to put in a lipstick and a lip balm because that's what I normally carry. And then we are going to put in some keys. So I'm gonna fit those into the back pocket. And then we're going to fit my phone, which is quite a large phone, but it does fit in there. And there we go. So that's everything that's in there. So we've got my phone, which is quite large, a lipstick, a lip balm, a card case, and my keys. And that's pretty much everything that I carry on a regular basis, and it fits very nicely in this purse. So that's it. So that is the Tory Burch Britten Crossbody Purse. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in another video.